EFMHY2.
Y1.
So, at the present time, India is facing a shortage of electricity, sir. So, my idea is to save the electricity, sir. According to my data, statistical data, most of the corporate offices, star hotels, and malls and gyms consumes a lot of electricity during daytime just for lighting system. Here is the data representation for that. So, per day, it will consume about 3,000 to 4,000 units, out of which 20% is for lighting. So in that 60 to 600 to 800 units will be for a lighting system. Per month it will be around 24,000 units. If we consider a village, it will approximately it will consume 900 units per month. So sir, 1 month consumption of electricity in a star hotel is just for lighting system is sufficient to provide 3 continuous months for a village electricity. So we can reduce the power shortage here. So for that I have did an de-lighting system which is maintenance free. For that the principle behind this is optic fiber. So the optic fiber will transfer the light with the same intensity by the process of total internal reflection. So and as one end of this optic fiber is fitted outside the house and the other end should be fitted inside the building. The outer end should be fitted with this funnel and a convex lens which will converge the light. So as you can see, when the sunlight comes, it will convert the light to this point. The focal length of this is 5 cm with the power is of 20 diopter. So it will convert the light and make it work. Then the light will travel inside this and it will illuminate the house. You can see it inside. आप अंदर आकर देख सकते हैं इसमें. So, sir, the benefits of this day lighting system is that during daytime we can provide electricity, we can provide light for so many buildings, so many offices, and also this is batteryless. Nowadays people use solar panels. So my idea is to innovate something new. I don't want to use the solar panels. Solar panel cost a lot, sir. So my idea is to innovate something new. So this is batteryless. As this is batteryless, it will it is one time. As it is batteryless, it will just highly maintenance free, sir. Just it is like a one-time investment. If we once apply this, it can be provided for 20 to 30 years. We can get the light, the light during daytime. And also the optic fiber which we use will also transfer the data. In telephone department we use this for transferring data. So if it is if we are able to transfer the light and at the same time data, that will provide internet for the village areas also. The applications of this product this lighting system is we can apply this everywhere where we get sunlight sufficiently to provide light during daytime. To be specific, we can use this in the star hotels, malls and corporate offices and multi-store buildings, and also we can use it in the houses. So this is my idea, sir, to save the electricity. Thank you, sir.
तुम खाना खाने जाओ.
थोड़ा यहाँ बता दो यहाँ क्या किया.
ये बेसमेंट
ये क्या क्या बनाया है वो बताओ. Yeah, you can tell what you have made over here. Do not present that.
Okay. These are the materials that we use to make these items. So these plates are made from cardboard. It's the first step to make a plate like this. We cover it with a masking tape, and after we cover it with a tissue paper or plaster of Paris. These are available.